Do you know that there is a title a woman will take on as an Igbo woman, and then she'll be able to bless kola nuts and also break kola nuts and maybe transition into being a man and no longer a woman, but she's physically a woman. All right, let me take you a little bit on that ride to explain to you what I know about this particular title. Echichi Mnekwukwe bụ Echichi Omo. This Echichi exists in Igbo. People from Enuana, they know about this, they practice this, and people from Anioma in Delta State. And a few days ago, I was fortunate to get more light on this particular issue. His Royal Highness Omu Onyebuchi Okonkwo, she's the current holder of that title in Anye Oma, and the Ozi Baba Anieto visited her and shared the video. I was able to share my own story concerning Omo. Let's say back to 2016/2017 when I got admission into University of Nigeria and Soka under Avan Ikoko as a campus. I was asked with by my lecturer with other persons in my team to talk about Oji, and then I read extensively. I like reading a lot. Don't mind me, these days I don't read again, but before that I read a lot, and I hope I'll go back to that, my culture of reading extensively. So I read about this section where a woman could break kola nut and could also bless kola nut, and that is Omu Echichomu. So when we are trying to dish out all that has to do with Oji, I mentioned it, and I told them in that our drama, because the drama we were explaining about Oji, I told them that except me, because I took it up upon myself that I already have the title almost. So I told them except me, it's a drama, you know, that I am someone who has undertaken the title of Omo. So me, I can break kola nut and I can bless kola nut. That gave me the title one Ichiri Omo. So now that I know more about Omo, I now feel very proud. So I'm no longer an ordinary woman. So you have to respect me. Even Omo, His Royal Highness Onyebuchi Okonkwo, she called me one Ichiri Omo. Thank you, mommy. I cannot express my gratitude for replying my message. So let me quickly take you on that stride. One, the gods, like say, spiritually based. The selection is not something that is not physically spiritual. They will not select the particular woman that will take up that stool. Remember, if a particular Omo is not late, then no other Omo. It's always one in a particular village. If the one that they selected is still alive, you cannot select another person. So when this person passes the gods, they will select who is going to be the next Omo. If that woman is married, they will tell the husband and they have to dissolve the marriage. The woman will go back to her father's house and not take up her father's name again, leaving the husband's name, because now she's, after the ritual, she's assumed to be a man now, so she'll be in her father's compound. Marry you, she will marry, and then the wives, they also give birth, but how they will give birth is not me that will explain. Even almost say she will not explain on social media, so me, I'm not explaining. So she said you'll get married to women, and then those women, they will also give birth to children. These children, they will bear the name of the Omo. They will bear the name of the Omo, no longer, because she's now more like a man. And then she does she's a custodian. She's a custodian in the sense that any kind of issue that comes up in the village, they bring it to her. She will settle. She's a woman. She's a woman that assumed the position of a man, so she knows how to mediate and settle issues that arose. And on every market day, she goes to the market, she does one or two rides. After performing those rides, the market will not kick off. She also gets her money to sustain herself from the levies they get in the market. After this contribution, she will take it, she will use it to take care of herself. So this Omo, if at all she decided not to take the stool, she decided not to be an Omo, that is to say, there will be no Omo until she dies, because another Omo cannot be selected. I don't know if I'm making sense. So she behaves like a man. She's a man. She's she's not in the nature of a man. Now, I also asked this question: can an Omu be selected when she's still in her in the era where she will still see her menstruation? Then she said it's possible, but record has it that the ones that are selected, they are all above their menstrual era. They are not in their menopausal era. So when they are selected, they'll assume that's too. And she mentioned one thing. She said, a woman, if at all she's selected during that in the time frame whereby she can still see her period, then that woman will stay away from this too once she's menstruating. She mentioned that unlike how we see it, that menstruation is like a crime, that is so powerful that it could attract spiritual powers. Nah, it hits me differently. Why do moka? How na wanyi no nanse? How na about kitty maka? That time a woman is powerful. Alright, I'm going to drop the link to that Ozi Baba Nieto's video and also a write-up that will tell you more about Omu. But I'm glad I know more about Omu. I'm not proud to be called one teacher, but I'm not too selected by the spirit. I'm not even from Anioma. But don't even tell me that they are not Igbo. They are. Thank you. I don't mention.